Oh, wow.
Literally bought it last night. Oh yeah, I've owned one of those.
Oh, exactly, and now I can say that I've driven one. NB Turbo MX-5.
Yeah. My name's Ryder. This is my 2004 Mazdaspeed NB MX-5. Yeah.
So we're in, tell me, this is cool.
Yeah.
So it's an NB?
Yep, so 2004 NB factory Mazdaspeed. Roughly about 5,500 of these made, roughly. Yep. Most of them were left-hand drive, I think.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so they were mainly for the American market.
Yes.
And so I think there was, I could be mistaken, but I think there was less than 200 right-hand drives.
Wow, that's a truly rare car then.
Yeah, and in New Zealand, on Car Jam, it says there's only...
This video is brought to you by us, Gumboot Rally. Want to see roads you didn't know existed? Like meeting people, having fun? Join the largest automotive-themed scavenger hunt in New Zealand. Join our next adventure and see what you've been missing out. Gumbootrally.com, book now. Back to the video.
On Car Jam, it says there's only 14 in the country.
Yep.
But I'm not sure if that's the case, if there's more.
I've seen one in real life.
Oh yeah.
And I think it was this one.
Yeah.
I've seen one at a Cars and Coffee in Auckland. I'm sure it was even on the channel. And I'm sure it was this one. Oh yeah, instant, hey? It's just life-changing.
Yeah, so it's factory everything. Like the only thing that's been changed is it's got aftermarket lowering springs in it.
Yep.
And that's it. Yeah, a lovely couple I bought it off. Just real nice. They've owned it for almost 10 years and literally bought it last night. It was 5 o'clock last night and we were sitting in the room in the
workshop?
In the workshop.
Oh, nice.
And Bryce says to me, he goes, how rare are those factory NB turbos? And I said, oh, pretty rare. Why is that? And he goes, oh, there's one for sale. Because I know I'm 6'4".
Yes.
But I'm really into my little cars.
Yes.
Now, I know that might sound like a stupid idea, but
Minis and MX-5s are normally owned by big people.
Yep.
It's some weird anomaly.
It is, eh? Yep. It is an anomaly.
Yep. NB Turbo MX-5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, that's got heaps more pull than I was expecting.
Yep. Far
out. That's awesome.
Yeah.
I was expecting it to be a lot more linear, being factory.
I think above 4.5, it kind of takes off a little bit.
Yeah.
I mean, I've only owned it for about a day. So
yeah, that's right. That's right.
I haven't learned too much ins and out about it.
You can't tell me too much about the story of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like at 4.5, it has a think, and then it's on.
It goes. Yeah.
Oh, bro, this is so cool.
Yeah.
And it's just. It feels tight, it feels good, there's no rattles. I think you're onto a winner here, man.
Yeah.
I'm really excited about this car, and I didn't even know it was going to be here today.
Yeah. Oh.
Well, neither did you.
Neither did I. Neither did I, to be honest.
That was rad, man. I didn't expect that to have that much pull in the mid-range. Like, it goes 4.5 grand, and then it has a bit of a think about it, and then it's on. Whereas I was expecting just to be like a nice linear pull through.
Like it's there, but you don't even feel it.
Yeah, which is what you'd expect from turbos of this era in my brain.
Yeah.
So, man, that was fun. So tell me about it. You mentioned it in the car. You didn't have any aspirations of owning this car 24 hours ago?
No.
Excellent.
24 hours ago, it wasn't even a thing.
And you were sitting in there?
Sitting in that room, come back from our annual brunch, and we were all sitting in there, and then Bryce goes, oh, check this out. And then, what was it, maybe an hour later, we were driving up to Auckland, going to have a look at it, and got up there, and honestly, I was even more impressed than what the photos showed.
You weren't going to have a look at it; you were going to buy it. Yeah.
Yeah, and I never thought, like, because I've owned that NA since I was 15 years old, and that's always been my car. But I'd always thought, like, damn, this is like top. This is the top dog kind of old gen MX-5 that you're going to get. Never thought I'd own one, and then one popped up, and it was like, oh fuck, might as well just.
It's one of those cars, and I think knowing like the value you brought it at, I think you brought it at a value that you can get into and out of it, so you can enjoy it, have some fun with it, maybe clean up a few things, and then get out of it again. I think it's going to be a really neat car like that.
Yeah, I think that is the plan with it too. You know, hold on to it for a while, make it tidier, not do any major modifications, but mainly just tidy ups, and then sell it again, go from there, and then I can always just say, yeah, I've owned one of those.
Oh, exactly. And now I can say that I've driven one. 'Cause
Yeah,
what did we guesstimate that there's less than 500 right-hand drive ones in the world? Is that the guesstimation?
I believe so.
Yeah. If we get it wrong, someone will tell us. That's the best thing about the internet. Yeah.
And from my knowledge, there's only about 14 to maybe 20 in the country.
Cool. And if money was no object, what would you have sitting here instead of this?
A Z20 Sora. That is my dream car.
Yep.
Z20 Sora.
So Z20, that's late 80s.
Yeah, late 80s,
Yeah.
mid to late 80s, I believe.
Yeah, the real boxy ones.
Yeah.
There was one of them at Carnival, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I had trouble identifying it.
Sure it won a prize?
Well, it should win a prize.
Yeah, should win a prize.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the ultimate.
That's the ultimate for me. Don't know what motor I would have in it, but just the look of the car itself is it's perfect to me.
Boxy 80s are cool, eh?
Coupe, boxy, 80s.
And bigger than it should be, but still small, if you know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
Like, they're a big car, but they're not a big car, and especially when you get in them, they're not a very big car.
It's not 4-door big either.
No.
It's big 2-door.
Cool. Awesome, man. Well, thanks for letting me drive this. I've always wanted to drive one of them, of all ironies, and then one just dropped in my lap. Man, thank you. That was awesome.
No worries at all.
Awesome. Thank you.